Good evening, and we warmly welcome you all to the finals of Asala Dodanmalo Challenge Shield Annual Inter-School Quiz. It's the moment we've all been waiting for, where two schools out of 25 will compete each other in an epic battle of wits to take home the Challenge Shield and win their place as the champions. So here are the finalists of today's quiz. Nalanda College and St. Thomas's College. We are now in contact with the two teams. From Nalanda College, we have Nithika Gamatige, Manit Sumanasekara, Damsara Kevinda, led by their captain Dulmin Vijaysen. And from St. Thomas's College, We have Tuarhan Chandrakumar, Gaurisankar Sivakumar, Ahmad Mukhtar, led by their captain, Liam Pereira. And also we are here joined with a fellow member of our judge panel, Kavi Nakshara. So without further ado, let us move on to the rules and regulations of today's finals. The final round is an oral round equipped with a buzzer. 10 seconds will be allocated for each question. 15 questions will be given for both teams. The participant to buzzer first gets to answer. Every correct answer gets 5 points. Buzzing before or in between questions will result in deduction of points for the respective teams. The team with the most points will be declared as the champions and the judges' decision will be final. While the quiz is going on, participants must switch on cameras. All the microphones are muted by the host and the host will unmute the participant who buzzer first to answer the question. After the host unmutes that particular participant, he must answer within 5 seconds. If he doesn't answer within the 5 seconds, the question will be given to the opposite team. Every participant must use a separate device for their buzzer. Thank you. So with that being said, we will now move on to the quiz. I wish you all good luck and do your best. So let us now move on to the first question. Teams, are you ready? Let us begin here. Which year the supersonic aircraft Concorde retired? STC2.
1976.
Answer is 2003.
Excuse me, we were going to answer that.
Second question. Answer was wrong.
Just one question. So after the first person that buzzes get the chance to answer the question, if he says the wrong answer, does the second person who buzzes the buzzer get a chance?
No.
No.
Only one chance. After we are moving to the second section. I informed that earlier. Are you clear? Okay, we are moving to the second section.
Second question. What is the name given to the first ever acrobatic team of Sri Lanka Air Force, which was found in 2018? NC3.
Blue Eagles.
The answer is correct. Third question. Which airline has got the largest fleet? NC3.
United Airlines.
The answer is American Airlines. Fourth question. What is the deadliest airplane crash ever had resulting 583 fatalities? STC1.
Is it KLM and Pan Am?
The answer is 2747 collided on the runway 1977? Fifth question. Who was the first ever female captain of the national flag carrier of Sri Lanka? NC4.
Anusha Siriwardana. Hello, Anusha Siriwardana.
The correct answer is actually Anusha Siriratna. The sixth question. World's best airline according to Skytrax standings. NC3.
Islands.
That is correct. Question 7. World's most powerful jet engine holds the Guinness record. NC3.
G9X.
Correct. Question 8. Which famous business tycoon is the current chairman of Sri Lankan Airlines? STC1.
Ashok Adirage.
The answer is correct. Question number 9. World's longest paved runway. NC3.
Thamda Bamda Airport.
The answer is correct. Question number 10. Which airport has the largest terminal? NC3.
Dubai International Airport.
That is the wrong answer. The correct answer is Beijing's New Daxing International Airport. Question number 11. What are the devices fixed of the trailing edge of the wings to discharge lightning charges? The correct answer is static wings. Question number 12. What is the term APB stand for? NC4.
Ordinary processing disorder.
The correct answer is aft pressure bulkhead. Question number 13. The most expensive military aircraft ever built is STC3.
SR-70 Blackbird. SR-71 Blackbird.
Can you please repeat the answer?
SR-71 Blackbird.
No, the correct answer is B2 Spirit. 14th question. What is the code name given to Jaffna International Airport, which was opened in 2019?
JF.
The answer is correct. Question number 15. What is the drone type used to execute Qasem Soleimani? STC1.
Is the MC9 Reaper?
The answer is correct. Airliner that crashed in a residential area in Karachi near Jinnah International Airport is NC3.
Pakistan Airlines.
Correct. The correct answer is Pakistan International Airlines Flight 8303. Question
And,
number
excuse
17.
me, and also one thing, not sorry about this, but the earlier team, the member from the St. Thomas College said MC9 Reaper, but it's MQ9 Reaper.
Yes, the answer is MQ9 Reaper. I am sorry if that happened. It does not count. It will not be valid. We have understood the mistake, and thank you for letting us know about it. So let's now move on to question number 17. The US Navy Fighter Weapons School, Top Gun Academy, was established to carry on the art of aerial combat. Which wartime period emphasized the need for this measure? NC3.
The Vietnam War.
The answer is correct. Question number 18. That will be the last question of the quiz. What was the first aircraft engine designed and developed by Rolls-Royce? NC4.
Rolls-Royce Eagle.
That is the correct answer.
Malli, I'm Alisha from DS. Malli, there was a correction that St. Thomas' answer was correct about the aircraft cache. That was Panama and KLM, and I think we have to correct them. Please check about that.
We have added that point, Aya. Thank you for informing.
Yeah, welcome.
So that was the end of the finals quiz. So congratulations to both schools, Nalanda College and St. Thomas' College. Both of you all had great energy and a great display of skill. So we have analyzed the data, and all that's left to announce right now is the runner-ups and the finals of today's event. But before that, I would like to invite the captains of both schools to share a few words with us and let us know what your experience was regarding this quiz. So I would now like to invite the captain of Nalanda College, Dulmi Vijayasena, to share a few words regarding his experience of today's quiz.
Actually, it's a well-organized event. We get more experience, and good luck, guys. Thank you for inviting us. Thank you.
Okay, so that was Dulmin from Nalanda College. And let's move on to the captain of St. Thomas's College, Liam Pereira. Please share a few words with us regarding your experience.
Overall, it was a great experience. A big well done goes out to DSNI College for organizing such a brilliant event online. I'm sure all the schools have enjoyed it and learned something from it. It was a great experience for all of us, something new, something we haven't done before. So online. So thank you for giving us the opportunity, and good luck to everyone. Thank you.
So thank you, Dulmin from Nalanda College, and thank you, Liam from St. Thomas's College. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it is the time that we've all been waiting for. The team that will be crowned as the champions of VCE DCS 2020 is Nalanda College, scoring 45 points, which puts St. Thomas's College in runners-up, scoring a total of 15 points. Thank you both teams for participating. You have showed great showmanship, and good luck on your future endeavors.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
very
and
much.
thank you.
Nagaland
Congrats to the
College.
Thank you so much and well done.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much. So, as we can now see that this event has almost come to an end. So, thereby, I would now like to invite the Secretary of the DSSC Aeronautical Society, Havidu Ibudeni Ayya, for the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Malli. The ending of a very exciting and a successful day with 160 plus participants and 26 schools and international representation. Our hardworking team adapting to a new normal made this annual quiz competition a very successful one. After a long process of planning and decision making shows us its outcome. To finish off today's proceedings, I would like to thank the chief guest, Mr. Rain Banzon from Singapore Airlines Engineering for investing his valuable time with us, and guest of honor, Mr. Martin D. Clark from Aircraft Manufacturing Engineering College 66. And special thanks to our sponsors, Lanka Pacific Aviation and Engineering, Mr. Dinesh Jinasena, who supported us to make this event possible. Principal, Mr. Prasanna Udumuhandaramge sir, Deputy Principals, Samindika Jayalat Madam, and teachers in charge of the invited schools, and finally, and fellow aviators from invited schools, and finally to all the members of the Aeronautical Society of DSN Nagar College. Thank you so much for joining us today. More exciting, see you guys next year with a more exciting version of Wing Commander Asala Dodanmaluwa Challenge Shield.
Thank you, Aya. So with that being said, we will now bring this event and hopefully wrap this up. And thank you all, thank you everyone for joining this event, showing us love, showing us support. So we will make sure to be with you guys again next year. Until then, stay safe. Congratulations to all of you. You have all shown great showmanship. And with that being said, we will bring this event to an end. So stay safe and thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.